Welcome back to Discerning Hearts. I'm Chris McGregor. In our last episode, we gave you a broad overview of what you'll find here. Rich spiritual formation, deep prayer, scripture, church teaching, and reflections on faith and culture. Today, let's help you take the next step, where to begin, and how to explore what's waiting for you. Whether you're using our website or our free mobile app, we've designed it all to be easy to navigate and spiritually fruitful, but there is a lot. Let's start with the app. When you first open the Discerning Hearts app, you'll see several major categories, such as spiritual formation, prayers and devotionals, scripture, church history, and more. Once you enter a category, let's say spiritual formation, you'll see a list of voices and themes. Trusted teachers like Father Timothy Gallagher, Dr. Anthony Lillis, Father Donald Haggerty, and others. Each offering series rooted in rich spiritual charisms. When you tap on one of those voices or topics, you'll see the podcast series available. Some in audio form, others also available as YouTube videos. Once you enter into a particular series, you'll find a list of episodes ready to explore. Each episode includes a star icon you can tap to mark it as a favorite, and a circle with a downward arrow to download it for later listening. When you select an episode, you'll see a full screen player along with complete show notes, so you can follow along or go deeper. Your podcast will begin playing at the bottom of your screen, where a small black bar will appear. If you tap that bar, the player will expand, giving you access to fast forward and rewind controls. At the top right of the screen, you'll find a small gear icon. Tap that, and you can adjust the playback speed, set the podcast to repeat, or even use a sleep timer to turn off playback automatically. It's all designed to be intuitive, flexible, and a true companion for your prayer and learning. And there's more. Within the app, you'll also find access to two 24/7 streaming audio channels. Think of them as spiritual radio. Always on, always available. DH1 offers continuous spiritual formation programming, while DH2 features continuous music, prayer, and guided meditation. Just tap to listen and enter into the rhythm of grace wherever you are. And if you're not sure where to begin, one of the easiest places is the latest podcast section. On the website, you'll find it just by scrolling down the homepage. You'll also see links to our prayers, devotional offerings, frequently asked questions, and a complete list of all of our series. The same features are available in the app, right at your fingertips. Remember, Discerning Hearts is also on all major podcast platforms, Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and many more. Just search Discerning Hearts and you'll find both our full channel and individual series like Inside the Pages or Building a Kingdom of Love. You'll also find us on YouTube, where many of our podcasts and teachings are available in video format. If you prefer to watch or want to share a visual resource with a friend, our YouTube channel is another simple way to stay connected and inspired. And if you haven't already, don't forget to sign up for our daily newsletter. Every day, we'll send a fresh offering to your inbox, sometimes a new podcast episode, other times a prayer or a reflection. It's a quiet, gentle way to stay close to the heart of this mission. Finally, if you find Discerning Hearts helpful and you believe in this mission, there is a donate button right within the app. Your gift, no matter the size, helps keep this content free and accessible to souls around the world. Most of all, I want to invite you to explore with trust. You're not just opening an app. You're opening a door to a deeper relationship with Christ. Through every series, every episode, and every prayer, may you come to hear his voice more clearly and follow him more closely. In our next episode, we'll help you match your season of life or the longings of your heart with the series and content that can meet you there. Whether you're seeking healing, wrestling with grief, drawn to the saints, or just looking to go deeper in prayer, we'll help you find the right place to start. Until then, thank you for being with us, And may God continue to bless your journey.